Good morning, children. Welcome to computer class. Today we will look at the revision of lesson 3 because next week is our exam, midterm exam, and we have only one lesson, that is lesson 3 for the exam. So let's discuss the question answers and the exercises which are there. Whatever you have to learn in lesson 3 we'll discuss in this video so that it will be easy for you to learn. Okay. Now first I had given you these question answers. Lesson 3, editing in Word. Answer the following. First one is define word and name 3 word processors. Most of you have learned it from our live class itself that word is word processing application software used for creating documents. Okay, word. So the definition of word must be clear to everyone. Word is word processing application software used for creating documents. As I told you, word processing application software. These 4 words are very important and you should say this completely. Word is word processing application software. Why it is used? Why word is used? Used for creating documents. Now name 3 word processors. We know it is MS Word. Then WordPad and Notepad are the most common word processors. Okay, these are the examples of word processors. Now, second question is write any 3 features of Word. So, we have many features in our textbook. From that, we are writing only 3. Any 3 features. The first one is we can change the existing text. That is, you can make changes using delete key and backspace key, and you can insert more words by just clicking inside the word and then typing whatever you need. So that is the meaning of we can change the existing text. Second one is we can copy and move text. Copying is done with copy and paste commands and moving is done with cut and paste commands. That also in detail I have shown you in the video. Okay, so that is one feature of Word. Then third one is we can check the spellings of words. That also is in detail. It is discussed in the video. Okay. So if the spelling mistake is there, Word automatically underlines it in red. Okay. And the green underline is for grammatical errors. So if you come across any red wavy underline, you should understand that there is a spelling mistake in that. Okay. So you have to correct it, and correcting is just by right clicking, and in the suggestions you will get the list of suggested words, and from that you can select the one which is needed. Now the third question is now name the parts of Word 2010 window. So all these parts are there. You have to learn the names of these parts. Quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, scroll bar, then word window, document area, status bar, cursor, ruler and file tab. You have to learn the spellings of these words also. Now the next question is write the purpose of each of the following parts of word window. Just now we discussed about the parts of word window and why each part is used. We are in detail we are learning what is the use of each part of the word window. First one is title bar. As you know, the title bar is displayed on the top and it displays name of the document and the application name. So just remember that it displays 2 names, that is document name and application name. Okay. Next one is quick access toolbar. It gives access to frequently used commands. Frequently, whichever commands you are using, you can place it in the quick access toolbar so that you don't have to search anywhere else. Next is file tab. File tab displays menu for file related actions. In file tab, you will be able to see open, save, new. If you want to open a new file, click on file new. If you want to open a file, click on file open. If you want to save a file, click on file save. So whatever is related to file, you will see in that displays menu for file related actions. Now the next one is document area. Document area is the area used to type text. So that white space, when you open Word window, you see a white space. That is the area you have for typing the text. So that is called the document area. Now the next one is cursor, that you have been learning from second standard or first standard onwards. It is the blinking vertical line at text insertion location. So where that cursor is, there only whatever you type will be inserted. Okay, that is the meaning. Now next one is ruler. Ruler has it has a horizontal and vertical ruler that shows the page size, margins, indent, etc. Ruler has many features. Okay, it has many purposes. That is, it shows the page size, it shows you the margins, the 4 margins are there, and indent. About indent and all you will learn in the higher classes. Alright. Now the next one is status bar. Status bar provides information about the document. I had told you status bar shows us in which page we are standing, how many words are there, and what is the language that we are typing. All these things will be displayed on the status bar. Now the last one is scroll bar. It is used to scroll up and down or left and right in a document. So if you want to move in the 4 directions, you can use the 2 scroll bars, that is the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. Now we have the next question, that is the 5th one. What is the difference between copying and moving text? So this was also discussed in detail in the video. Just refer that video and understand how we are doing that and then learn. Then it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, so copying text means to create a duplicate copy of the selected text. This is done using copy and paste commands, and moving text means to shift the selected text to some other place. This is done by using cut and paste commands. Alright, so copy means after copying you will get the text in 2 locations, that is in the original location and in the copied location. But when you cut and paste, it will be there only in 1 location, that is in the original location it will not be there, it will be cut away from there and it will be pasted in the pasted location. Okay, so that is the difference between copying and moving text. Alright, now the next question is 6th one. How do you correct misspelt words in a document? Misspelt means the spelling mistakes words. Okay, the words which are not correctly spelt are misspelt words. So to correct the misspelt words marked with red wavy line, right click on the marked word. A pop-up menu will appear showing the suggested corrections. Select the correct spelling from the list. The incorrect word gets replaced with the selected word. So this is the shortest method by which we can correct the spelling mistakes. Okay, so what we have to do to correct the misspelled words marked with red wavy line, you have to right click on the marked word. Whichever word is marked red, you just keep the mouse pointer there and right click on your mouse. Right button you have to click. Then one menu comes, that is called the pop-up menu or context menu. It will appear showing the suggested corrections. So whichever corrections are given by the computer, all will be shown in that pop-up menu. So from that, if you are having your spelling which you want, you can select the correct spelling from that list, and then the incorrect word gets replaced with the selected word. As soon as you select that word, that incorrect word will be replaced with the selected word. Now we have the next one, that is the 7th one. What is the use of thesaurus feature in Word 2010? As all of you know, thesaurus feature is used to find synonyms of the selected word. Synonyms you will be familiar with the word synonym in English class, right? So thesaurus feature is used to find synonyms of the selected word. That means the same words having the same meanings are called synonyms. So if you want to replace your typed word with another word which will be slightly better, so you can use the thesaurus feature and then you can find the synonym of the selected word. Now the 8th one is, what is the difference between undo and redo? Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo. Redo means do it again. So undo means you don't do that. So it is used to cancel. Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Suppose if you have given a command to cut. You have selected that word and then you click on cut. So if you don't want that to be cut away, you can just click on undo. So that action will be erased. And redo means you can reverse the action of undo. That is, you just can again do it. Alright. Okay, now the last one is write the shortcut keys for the following. First one is spelling and grammar check. You can go to that feature by simply clicking on the F7 button which is available on your keyboard. Now the second one is thesaurus option. It is by pressing Shift plus F7. Keep pressing the Shift key and then press the F7 key. Then you can go to the thesaurus option. Now undo, you know, Control plus Z. Redo is Control plus Y. Okay, so this plus is, you don't have to press plus. Okay, you just keep on pressing the Control key and then press the Y key. That is the meaning, Control plus Y. Now that was the notes given in lesson 3, and after that we had discussed the text back exercises, isn't it? So in the text back also we have the fill in the blanks like this. That is the first one is Shift plus arrow keys are used to dash text. That is, you had the option select, delete and copy. No need of learning the options. You just learn the word select and understand that sentence. Alright. So Shift plus arrow keys are used to select text. You know that 4 arrow keys are there in the left direction, right direction, up direction and down direction. So those 4 arrow keys and Shift key are used to select the text. Now second one is dash is the reverse action of undo. We know that it's redo. Redo is the reverse action of undo. Now third one, dash is not a word processor. In that options are given Word, WordPad and Windows. In these, Windows is not a word processor. Okay, next one we have making changes in a document is called dash. It's called editing. Okay, making changes in a document is called editing. And the last fill in the blank is word marks a dash wavy line under the words not found in the dictionary. I told you, whenever we type any sentence or any word, just word will be constantly comparing it or matching it with the dictionary it is having. So if it finds any word which is not there in the dictionary, it will mark it as red. So word marks a red wavy line under the words not found in the dictionary. Now look at this, write shortcut keys for the following. Some were given in that our typed notes, isn't it? So apart from that we have this also. This you must have learned in last year also, isn't it? Cut, copy, paste and undo. So for cut we have the shortcut key as Control plus X, and copy is Control plus C, paste is Control plus V and undo is Control plus Z. So these shortcut keys also you have to learn. Always remember the shortcut keys. Learn these shortcut keys and the shortcut keys which are given in the typed notes. Alright. So write true or false. In that the first one is a word can be selected by double clicking on it. It's true. Cut and copy commands are used to move the text. It's false because it is cut and paste commands. And misspelled words is marked with a blue line under it. It's red. So this is false. Control V is a shortcut to cut a selected word. It's false because Control X is used to cut a selected word. And undo command repeats the last action. That is false. Actually redo repeats the last action. Now answer these questions orally. How does word mark spelling errors? It marks spelling errors with red wavy line. And how do you insert a blank page? You have to click on insert and click on blank page. And which option is used to find synonyms of a selected word is? The answer is the thesaurus option. And only this much you have to write in your textbook. The remaining are the answer the following, and these has to be written in the notebook. That is notes which I had already posted in the WhatsApp group. So these are the things that you have to learn. Only this much you have to learn in chapter 3. and all of you revise and learn this much of question answers, fill in the blanks and shortcut keys, and what all is there, and what is the purpose of each of the parts of word window. All those things all are simple answers. Just learn 3 or 4 or 5 in one day and write and learn to learn the spellings also. Alright, so this was our revision. All this had been discussed earlier in the previous videos, but you can just consider this as a revision, and you can just play this video and learn along with me so that it becomes easy for you. So you can do it alone, okay, without anybody's help. So bye for today, and all the best for your exams. All of you learn properly and write the exams very well. Okay, thank you.